Hello everyone here and welcome to my channel Graphic for You. Today I'm going to show you how to create a Doctor Strange 3D portal like this. In this tutorial I use Saber plugin and also VC Color. It's very easy and let's get started. Okay, first I'll add new composition. I'll make it Full HD, frame rate 60 and duration 10 seconds, then hit OK. Go to layer, new solid, and I'll name it particle. Go to effects and presets and type CC particle wall. Okay, now I want to close all targets here. Okay, now I'll go to layer, new null object. Okay, and I'll make it 3D. Control D to copy. The first one I'll name it master, and the second one I name it target null. Okay, then I'll parent target null with master. Go to target null, press P for position, go to position Y and type -400 and see. Let me close particle layer right now. Okay, then I'll go to master, press R, go to Z rotation, alt click and type time times 500 and see, this is our rotation. Okay, yeah. Now let me open particle, then I'll go to birth rate, I'll decrease it to 0.7. also longevity I'll change it to 0.5. now open producer, position X, position Y, position Z. I type here in this document, I'll take position X as a copy. Okay, and I'll leave it also into the description, but if you name this null target null, you must to name it here target null. If you want to change this name, you must to change this name here. It's very important. Okay, so I'll take it as a copy or Control C, go to position X, Alt and click and Control V to copy. Okay, yeah. Again, I'll go to position Y and copy, go to position Y here, Alt click and Control V. Okay, position Z, copy and go to position Z, Alt click and Control V. Okay, and this is our animation. Okay, radius X, I'll decrease it to 0. Also radius Y, I'll decrease it to 0. Now I'll go to physics, I'll decrease velocity to 0.30. Also inherit velocity, I'll change it to 20. And gravity 0.2 and see. Yeah, very good. Go to floor and floor action, set none to bounce. Okay, and bounceness I'll change it to 25. Now I'll go to particle and max opacity, I'll increase it to 100 and I'll change these colors to white. Okay, so the last thing, extra or extras, depth Q, set none to fade. And that's all. Okay, now I'll go to layer, new null object again. I'll make it 3D and I'll name it and I'll name it helper because I'll remove it. Okay, Control D to copy, and the second one I'll name it target null space 2. Okay, and I'll Control D to copy it 2 times again. 3, 4. Okay, now we have target null 2 and 3 and 4, and already we have target null here. Okay, so now I take target null, shift target null 3, shift target null 4, and I'll parent with helper. Then press P for position, and don't forget in target null number 1, if I press P, I change position Y to minus 400. So now I'll go to target null 2 and I'll change position Y to 400. Okay, now go to target 3, I'll change position X to 400 and target null 4 minus 400. Okay, then I take target null 2, shift 3, shift 4, and I'll parent with master. Then I'll remove helper layer or not. And see, this is our animation. So now I'll go to particle here and I'll Control D to copy it 3 times also. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Now I'll name particle number 2, this one particle space 2, particle 3, particle 4. Go to particle 2 and effect, go to producer here, position X and C. Target null, space and type 2 and C. Position Y, also click here and space 2. Position Z, also 2. Okay, this is particle 2. Go to particle 3, producer, position X, 3. Position Y, 3. Position Z, 3. Particle 4, effects, particle world, producer, position X, click here and space 4. Also position Y, click here and position 4. Position Z, click here and 4. Okay, and now see, this is our circle. Okay, now I'll add new solid and I'll name it saber. Okay, I'll go to tools here and ellipse tools and go here and control and double click to add this circle. Double click here and control and degrease it like this, and I'll put this circle into the middle of this sparkle. Okay, yeah, now I'll go to effect, video copilot and saber, go to customize curve and set saber to layer mask and switches here to change normal to add. Okay, yeah. Now I'll select and I'll take portal and I'll change it to white. Okay, and I'll go to start size and I'll decrease it a little bit like this. Then go to first frame and keyframe in start offset, change it to 100. Go few frames and decrease it to 0. Okay, let me make it half here and see. Yeah, it's very good. Okay, this is very good. Now I'll go to layer and I'll add again new solid as a white one and I'll name it linear web. Then I'll go to effects and presets and I'll type linear web also. Double click or drag and drop and web wiggle, I'll change it to 0. Okay, and I'll increase this like this. Let me go to Spark Saber and go here and set none to alpha matte. Okay, then I'll go to linear web and let me increase further something like this, and also here. Yeah, yeah. Okay, now I'll add new adjustment layer. Go to effect, video copilot, DC color, and I'll change this color. Yeah, this is good. And again, I'll go to layer, adjustment layer, and I'll add glow, stylize glow. And let me increase threshold and also radius. Okay, and now this is our circle, so I'll take them all and I'll pre-compose it. Okay, and okay. Now I'll go to composition and render here, and I'll choose PNG sequence, and let me add new folder to render it. When I finished, I'll come back. Okay, now I finished render, so let me import this and make sure PNG sequence check and import it. Okay, also I'll import the video, this one. Okay, this is our video. Okay, so now I'll go to effects and presets and I'll type 3D camera target. Okay, double click. Yeah, takes a long time. So when it finishes, I'll come back again. Okay, now I'm ready to import my PNG video. Let me close it. So now I'll go to this street and go to effect and track point size. I'll increase it, sorry, to see it. So I'll go here and right click and I'll choose create solid and camera. Okay, and see. Okay, let me go to this one and layer solid settings and I'll change it to HD, full HD. Okay, and again, I'll go here and see. Okay, yeah, and I'll pre-compose it and leave all attributes. Okay, press OK. Now go here and I'll add our, yeah, and see. Let me remove this. Okay, set normal to add and see. Now I'll press P for position and I want to change the position like this. And if you want to press S to increase it like this. And now see. Okay. Also we can press P. Yeah. And this is our tutorial. So this is our tutorial today. So if you like it, don't forget like, share, subscribe, and goodbye.